Vậy bị gì cũng cái bên music này này cái radio quen mà đâu này
Eva so ka mi woman, eh ya na ga te wo se me. Eva so ka mi woman, eh ya na ku we wo se. O sa e ka me ge mi ma de da u mi o ma no di te wo se me. O sa e ka me u pi ko ta a yi se ga le kwe. Iya no de ga me go. Ira ka ke no ga ye, no se ma ga o se ma de ga me go. Ira ka ke no ga ye, no se ma ga o se ma de ga ma go. Na really mani kuna pieri de aseso to aikino ina to aikino utila ndabu weirego aseso to aikino ina to aikino aga ge wesila sila ndabu we mafeo era madero mandega debo ina que no gaye no se va a hacer mandega mafeo ina que no gaye ni ana gloria ello
I'm so speechless. Speechless. I'm so speechless right now. No. It's not very nice for. Should we call it a saga? Or should we call it a disgrace? No, come on, oh, how can you iPhone? You can't be something. Going like best answer. Because they let the Miami Arena. Oh, can you use the other ways? What worry ledger? Well, worry ledger. Behind. Come out by that woman, May. When I go back in the year, see, let's be the Mari le debe no. Ele de mawai no.
In autunno disconti su Auto Hero. Fiat 500 a partire da 7.800 euro. O Renault Captur da 9.200
Mari
euro.
le de.
E molte altre.
Allora, ogun bazen woto. Azanori domi. Azen der izup mayana yali domi. Iba poknya la zenegbe. Lero. Obe seti nene. Oh, how you put there na le wanya woto kwa kone. Kono wa yewe na no. Mo yike be ya ni le kuna. Mo ya ni. When are you going to be doing? See me where you to pay blood price is not easy. Huh? I am a drink. I swear to you, what I will call you. I will not get what I don't get much woman. Gallant letter, hey, what if you are here and I wanna. Hey, the dead young boy, like what? I am just the aqua in the hands of you. I am not in it. He is Tari. Let's set it now. Why are you man raw? If the man who was me, I think when you roll out, you ain't me. What up? No one. I'm playing this music for those who are responsible mothers. They play the single mothers who are responsible. And I ya no ya ro masuk dia. Precious man. You get slower. Oh, let's set it now. Share this video, guys. Wọ́n gbàṣẹ́ wòtòwòtò. Ayé agbésàkà iná máa yá agbésàkà. Wàá ṣe fídíò náà mẹ́rin jẹ́jẹ́. Ó pé mu ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Mushesha Johnson. Any of Papa's in the house. How are you? Oh, about this man. Share this video, guys. Area marriage area. I don't know. Social media. Always sexy. The husband is not easy, man. He will also be a household. Also, you'll be a. He can money come on. No longer on that, you say. I will walk on. I'm not joking with you guys. Huh? Yeah, I'm joking. Huh? Oh, one man, moto. Sex, Daniel. All right, my people, I greet you all with better style. All right, there. I see one of this one. We tell you, men one of the social media guru. My baba with a smile. My drink. I want you. What already? Yes. My lovely, beautiful people, I greet all of you with better style. Please thumbs up this video and share this video. And invite Precious Lady, aka Mommy Pig, aka Mama Black and White. The only woman who stay with Oyibo man, I know stay with black man. aka I am so speechless. aka men that matters. Men that matters. Precious Lady. When I'm here, where every nakoya guayi, or you say bewe, if you reach your tongue, you go turn another thing. Oh, your way. Now, you don't see anybody say you want saga again now. Now, ain't no truth. Now you say you want to go saga. Get with the Nigeria. Now you want to go saga. For the same. Who you the saga for now? You the saga for Dion Osagi. Dion Osagi, a fraud woman like you. Money. Fraud woman like you. Your fellow woman like you. Fraud that money. You they join Dion. they beat that same woman. Because you say you get her for Dion Osagi before. Dion, according to your video, when you do, Destiny was your kind of man. Mr. Edo, aka Eruwala, was your kind of man. Franco Mozuo, I was still the kind of man when they want. To the extent, I love the phone. I was the kind of man. But when I say Facebook, when I come to Facebook, I am not a Mozuo. I am not known as a Mozuo. That's undocumented immigrants. We now raise my fingers. Wait, you not celebrate me as I get documented. You have a boy. Because you were insulting me, undocumented immigrants. My wife, we are married. He passed you for Nigeria. He passed you for abroad. For everything I take pass you. You feel me so? Everything I take pass you. For level, for anything, for life. She passed you for age, she senior you. The woman only marry you. You understand? They say you will say me not reach your mates. I send you 100,000 naira when you did Nigeria. You want Chris. Your clitoris jump come for your bukus. That's it, undocumented immigrants. This is your bragging. This is your braggados. Now you invest me for you. As you soft rich, gallant rich, your mama for Nigeria, they're going to stay for queue for what they do giveaway of chicken every Christmas day. As gallant as you are, a beautiful woman like you, gorgeous woman, don't go party, don't do things, Padova, Vanessa Messi. You don't go Norway, go Denmark, go to the show, knock for Norway, knock for Torino, for Napoli, Milan. Name it. Don't run things, don't big things. That here controls. At the end of the day, wait me they carry you come from Nigeria, come abroad to come make my mommy proud, make your fathers proud. At the end, they are still living in abject poverty. The house where your father started to build before they bring you to giant. Now you feel raise money, make it complete where your parents still dating now. Your mates, you and Julie Dalla on a drag for Destiny Bola. Julie fucked Destiny with 1 million naira. Go look Julie house. She get mansion. You, the same you will drag for Bola with Julie, you will still know nothing to write home about. Make a chop at the make a feed the people now woto. All those failures were abroad. Now they like with disgrace. So that others go learn from a mistake. Hello, somebody hearing what I'm saying? If you are hearing me, start fire. Or go baze woto. My love. What for you? Cold water. Oh, let me be cold water. This kind of food. This kind of better pagania. Oh God. Oh God. Right now, right away, if I will continue this my saga, should I call it saga or education? This is education things. This is my panel, you know, oh God. Baba, no, it's more to him, man. We are being man, yoba. They are your boy, you wanna do.
Anybody to saga when I got that.
Locomotive Musla, when Yakubo. Laguneri bae mana we baye hundan we aga no ya modede yowa oye hundan o nya na so na we mut o ma agbe wa isaki de me ya fresh oye hundan iwe ye bete na ya we ko hi e ko yo ya ro wa hi iwe bi na iru daga won here without no white okra now we want to follow through more on so now people udazi ni kawo I don't make their money. Now, before I go start, before I clear this paradigm for me, I play you Precious Smith video. Thank you. What's it? What do you pray? Let me enjoy this one. Let me enjoy this one first.
My dear brother, if I take your side, is it a bad thing?
Okay.
He's a fine boy. It's not be saying a fine boy. Say I want to go taste for inside.
Okay.
Your mama when you did fight for not go there now. Okay. At least me, I don't spend that kind of money for rice. If you think I data, I don't spend that kind of money because I'm not this stupid.
Okay.
So what's so bad? If I have to compare you with your side, he's more man and presentable enough and better off than you.
Okay.
So what are we not talking about?
Okay.
Now let me just tell you. Now let me open it to you. Also, John Sage is my kind of man.
Okay.
Because I dey like them tall.
Okay.
Kids, they go sabi make younger pepper them. Okay. If that is what you want to do.
That's me the kind of man.
Because the pepulo for grand. You don't ever hear say make the date man height. I don't sabi and I don't pass the stage to the date man height. So my dear people.
But I just want to make money for the quarter. Instead of bragging. Now I'm making the best. The man where they date for Spain. We just didn't come out. Okay, go.
Happened for social media. The thing was so shocked to me, like, oh my God, how can somebody do a thing like that for victim like this? At least, though John Sage has never scammed me, I know Figo thought say he don't scam me one day. He never scammed me. Even when he was doing foundation, the few time I take support, the few time I sent money, it was from my heart. Nobody can drag and come off from my hand. Even the video he did, where he said, I'm not supporting Diano. People should just get me. That's me and that kind of person. I don't worship any bagger. Even though say you be billionaire now for inside your house, you know they pay my bills. Not be like they talk for Facebook. You don't know how I reach. Everybody now big man that for their house. So I know they worship any even person when me call my own self. I don't feel become money worship and much more person when I know for Facebook. So I don't worship human being. I have myself dignity. Wow. I don't bow down. I don't sell my pride for because of coins. I don't do that. You got me? So I know they worship anybody because of the coins, so you won't give me. You say, in fact, I just tell you that side. You understand? So everything I did during the time of God's Foundation, when it was really tough then, it was from my heart. It was from my heart. Nobody forced me. John has never scammed me. Okay? So, about this other guy, I will sit down now, I tell no, street CV. But I will talk and small today. Then if he come out, we go to bust everything out.
Okay.
Because me, I don't think Epa. I don't send my own money to street CV out of pity. You understand? So what happened? Let me just clear that Prissy talk show ability being paid. You understand? I don't know that woman before. Just as every other person's. All of them know say, as the single mother when I did, I know they use money bra for my I to get. But with time, everybody will know who be the real millionaire, who be the real billionaire. Not be by to come they brag. Because they go Nigeria every time. I know if you come they brag when I go carry kidnappers wait for me for us. Okay? It's not how far, now how well. Not be by to put it down for social media they say I have this, I have that. You understand? So forget that. So one day my phone rang. Somebody now she called me. Based on say we get contact. He say, he give my number to somebody. The person won't buy something. And I say okay. He not even tell me who. So when the woman called me, I said, who is this? He said, it's Prissy. You know, people say Prissy family talk show. He said, Prissy, I said, my man never go that, say because we are not familiar to each other. I said, okay, he said, won't buy something. He bought bags of rice. He bought bags of gari. He bought, oh God, let me go to what he bought. Because, wait, let me go to what he bought. Because, because these boys, these things are being soft, it's a bit insult people. The only job don't face you now. Don't think that everybody you feel insult and go free, eh? Because you're mad, you know, a bit talk. Now, wait till they come beyond us, quarrel for me and you will meet, be saying, and this same person can't call me, can't calm me down. Just hold on, guys. Somebody, apart from when he bought something, she bought something from me, I've never called her one day privately to talk to her. Wait till confirm me. Do you know how many people are patronizing me on a daily basis? A woman in Canada, she's a nurse. She bought something more than 4 million naira from me last year, December. So what are we not talking about? Adesua, please, I beg. No pull all don't clarify no for me for that side. So I beg. No, no, come pull all matter here and don't bring anything personal. You know, truth is I want to do something, I want to reply. So I know they after Lolo. Because that Lolo video I don't watch and reach the end and I don't want to watch a pass like that. So wait.
Yes. Water.
That the first time I had a contact with the woman was February this year. Now see, and the Prissy, this is the Prissy. I even say Prissy Saloon. I don't even know say get paid that time. Prissy Saloon. Now I will take to understand. On the 24th, that was the first time we ever spoke. 24th of February. So after we talked online, she called me. She was the one that called me. We talked for 9 minutes. She told me what she wanted to do. We talked for 9 minutes. Yeah, you see it there. So then after she told me what she wanted to buy, I sent her my business account number. Then I told her, thanks so much for your patronage. I appreciate you, which I always send to everybody that patronizes me. You can see the first money where she take follow me buy something, 500,000. Now see the receipt there which she sent for me. Then the next day she come. Then I now call to say thank you. See, I don't see the 1 minute call. Now see the 1 minute call to say thank you. I've seen the receipt. Then she now on the 22 she now called me. Good morning, Lady P. Trust God, you and yours are doing great. Regarding delivery address, here are the address which I will be covering it. Now see, I will cover the address where she asked me to go and deliver the things. We were the one that also delivered it. You see, so we are not delivering the stuff to her. Then again, she now ordered again. I think it was a second address. This is another second address she sent, and when she ordered again, you see second address the way she was writing it. 3 bags of rice and 2 bags of gari. So I now also send it to her, forwarded the 3 bags of rice, which is this on the 22. You see the 3 bags of rice, and this is on the 22. Wait, no, now they see the dates. So I now delivered it. Which already I received what she take pay. This was the gari we sent. You see, it was a bag.
Yeah.
Then after 1 week, I'll be some days, she now sent me this one. See the money. You see the receipt she sent 130,000. You see the amount she sent because they send a 1.something million. Okay, million, how many millionaire? That does say Dangote the lady a year word for Benin, for Nigeria. So then after some days, she now sent me. Then I now bought another thing again, 228. You see another one again, 228. Now they see for down 228 total. 228. So 228 plus 130 plus 500. That much? No, I don't want to make. Hey, Mama. Hey, my Mama. All these are people I hold in high esteem. Mama, beg, just give me 5 minutes. There are people that are in my life right now that I don't want to offend. Not beyond this nuisance. Okay, because when I patronize me, I will see truth. I'm not going to talk. I will not say I said my freedom of speech during the market when I just said. CBC Wahala. I said my own freedom of speech. Join the market when I said, which you're not going to let me talk because I'm not patronize. Now, people are not patronize. Anybody that will patronize me say, make I not fit talk again. I don't fit to talk. Carry your patronize, don't work on that. Go and control. Go and beg for people you can control because nobody can control me. Nobody can control me. I'm a woman of my own. I don't borrow money to start my business. If I don't sell, I go there. He go there. Than for me to come sell market, fear no go let me talk. Who does that? So, Mama, Mama will say, no worry. I will not cross track. My dear people, now see the total there 228 plus 130 plus 500. I don't know the calculator. Simple mathematics. See the receipt where it send me. After I give her the total. Now see the receipts. 228. Okay, that was the last transaction before he can send me this video. This video so now Gary. After some days, he now sent me a video. No, he see another one. He still buy another one. 209. That was the last. This was the last one. 209. So he can send me. After some days, he can send me this Gary. Now they say scam. Who here now say they say I scammer. They will say maybe he buy something no complete.
209, 220 something, 120 something, 500. Now you dey use your money talk so. I never hear other person. 209. The same person say 1 million plus, then they buy for your hand. A millionaire, 500,000, 209,000, 220 something thousand. 100 and something thousand. How much be that one? It reach 1 million or it pass? I want to calculate again. 500,000, 220 something thousand, 209,000, 100 and something thousand. It not pass 1 million. Who can they lie? Somebody will patronize with a million plus. Now you they call a beat for live video. Now you say me they don't patronize you again. It be a gagging way. Olosho will always be Olosho. Olosho will forever be Olosho. Now you say genocide are your kind of man. You like them tall. You like them this one. You like them this one. Ah, precious man. Precious man. The reason why I can't talk to you now because of your bragging. I not get issue with you again. Now because of your bragging. Oh, get uta or see when I'm moving. And when I kill any man, when I give me matter. You don't know something of Yaku. You don't know the motor's bottle. Even this beer glass, this glass be a top pass man. But man, now you come like you like them tall, you like them this one. They tell you say destiny talk. You know you never see this for granted. Now Thomas, and they ask you why they talk like on social media? Why they lie? Wagutori. And when I say, oh baby, I'm so speechless. Oh, I'm so speechless. I'm so speechless. Mental, I thought that. Me, I be top person as well. Me too. What is this? They lie. See, as I don't abandon you since then. Now your lie they make me the vex. You use here, you know. You go see gallant woman, see woman with deal with woman gallant. No level. A level, you a breast, not sleep. Ordinary seed, they don't see for your breast again. Or maybe back only 2 picking Lord, they don't drill your breast. Et moi, voici bon. Et moi, c'est bon. Then when am I there? They put it this special for your body again. To a man and down the bed, put. I don't see him. Everybody don't see him. Almost half of the men with their abroad. Yeah, me on there. Oh, what the Uge? Now you they brag. One now you don't get money, they brag. Now you don't get pride. Now you don't get money. Now you make mouths. Now you talk loud. Now just have to do high service. Have to do high service. Now you'll be your own. Over sabi, or suebu, uman debebe, umaro guy. Amana borrow. I ordinary breezer, you borrow. You want to do your birthday, like 2016. You go borrow pants, wear. Maybe one of Germany, now pants you borrow, wear. Not be this video, you don't forget. On a say, my problem, and one me do as you worry. And one me, it was you worry. You don't come on the brag, follow everywhere like maybe you don't forget your mess. Now be you drag me go native daughter. As you reach to the what you play? What you play? What's it complete? Don't you want to come? What you play? I got hair black. All your body fair. As you hair black. That's how black man. Senior king of devil. Don't you see? Not because of what they eat now. Man, I'm good. Me not go vomit. All those countries they make us vomit. I know what they face in. Face why you meow. If it's why you musi. Oh, I will see fine woman. Fine saucy woman. Genyagara. Ogbigo. Akaragbigo. Ogbigo. Oh, first. I don't want to disgo this one like this. I brag to do it. It do pass herself. If you use this small lip hole, we just spread feather like dove. You want fly. We just spread feather. When it knows say I did here, I bet you forget some of it. It is a being friend. We not be afraid though. If you don't know, make you know. Me and you can never be friends. Anybody will go say to me and you know go kill children for ya. Let me tell you so. Precious Meg. You don't know the way I can hate you. I also will disgrace you. As you just enter your room, just keep your mouth shut, enter your room. Say you dey laugh, say I don't marry today. When you want to disgrace your brother, you don't give. Not be my marriage, you can't disgrace your brother. Not be my marriage, you can't use to disgrace and don't give. You say I married today. Now so you take mock me. When they no give with your wife, come they fight for live video. Now you come and say don't see the one on the top say now monster. They married, they are married, they pepper you. Say my marriage, they pepper you. Where you the twerk, they wet for my waist. Only my relics so much they wet put your so your student pull blue water. They bring water. You open pig company from Benin. Pig let the company when you say you go when they train leather. You invite me. You invite you not see a no give you invite a no give. But you know, say me now big dude. You feel invite me. I did Europe and not get document. You invite me. And I bless that occasion with 100,000 naira. Then you begin to squat. You begin to squat. They squat. They squat without they throw away for your pickles. You know, invite your person, you call your brother, you better pass me. You don't get better pass. You know, invite somebody, come launch your business. But I do now, Mozuo. Now you feel invite, or Mozuo can use 100K launch time. Where you invite men that mantas. You can't say men when I men that mantas. When you call it for saga, I can't be a must for your face. But when you reach to launch your business, you can't say this same almost now men that mantas in the society. Now one of the men that mantas, you can't go invite men that mantas. Also, you only fool yourself. You only fool yourself. In no day. Sister enter house, may you let person hear word. Imoto will not invest me. Your first child, precious. Where the father? What to make the father reject his son? You never tell the word. I don't ever ask you that question several times. What to make the father of precious reject precious for you hand? You get belly. You come out, you go nowhere. From Padova, you go nowhere. You go do a show for nowhere. You come from nowhere. You sleep with precious supposed father. You go to and say, you get belly. Precious supposed father, as a sharp guy, they'll say, when he sleep with you, you're already pregnant. Instead of being get the belly, you go bring DNA test. You carry belly, you carry wrong month, you run go Germany. You go born for Germany. You follow Oyibo knock you. Oyibo run away, sister they cry. Precious Maggie yellow papa. Precious Maggie red tomato. Precious Maggie follow Oyibo. Oyibo run away, oh precious they cry. A Maggie yellow papa. Iwe Maggie red tomato. Maggie follow Oyibo. Oh, Oyibo run away, oh Maggie they cry. A Maggie ne yellow papa. A Maggie ne red baby. Maggie follow Oyibo run away, oh Maggie they cry. Saga. Okao, Ubiana, Saga, Obis. Ebu. Many of our black women, they go born for black person. If the black person misbehave, they go decide to say they follow black again. They'll go follow Igbo. They go deal with Igbo, they go enjoy their Igbo, they go live their life, they go JJJ. Go see that one way there for TikTok. Madam Blue, with Torino. That one way that they sell for Torino. Our Ugbo. Sell and buy. Era here. Ioma. No, Guezo. Ioma, the Morocco. No, anyone with Torino. Here I hear a madam, or that for no Biamo Carolina, or in here a madam, eh? A madam, they have a door. You know, you have people you are doing. That was the business we are doing. Oh, you are doing people you are doing. At the end of the day, look at their life. See my life to be at old age. Wamaye Bob Haya enjoy care. Wamaye Bob enjoy care. So for head people. At your young age, when you are young, you are still vibrant. Your people still bring small oil. Your nipple still there inside your breast. You don't enjoy Ebola. You use and hustle. Knock, Norway, Canada, Japan, Norway, South America. You knock everyone else. They press you. Morocco suck the nipple. Bangladesh suck the nipple. Benin suck the nipple. Asian suck the nipple. Agbo suck the nipple. Kuala suck the nipple. Ijo suck the nipple. Almost all the whole world suck the nipple. And at the end of the day, you don't see one man still put you for house. They say, I die here. Until go and work on yourself. Go and work on yourself. You are so beautiful. You know how to cook. You gallant. You are a working class woman. You don't get man for house. You are a dirty woman. You know, so you tell you, make I tell you. With all your endowments, no one responsible man. Oga, even though you know you marry man. You think say easy to marry Benima. If you see a woman will marry Benima, in the Benima day, praise the woman. Benime, hey, are you boy? The craze that. You know what it takes to marry Benima? No principle. I tell you now, the talk my woman not shop. You don't pack place come for her. If they clean kitchen, how to that? You do little tunnel. Benima, Would you say easy? Who does that? Who does that? Who does? You know, people be for us. You they like Benin men. Your cats are not good. They go use it or shop them on they'll leave you. Now they are way with that one. I tell me each time they open an eye. If you know say you want to cope with Benin man, let your character be sound. If you learn you be the best cooker. Oh we mama, they go shop your food. Mama you go pepper rice. They go shop and finish, they go still dump you. Check how many money put to for road. How many of the girls my house? Yang go ale la but yang money. Yang go ale la yang musi, yang go afie kun bedi. Yang money. The woman you agbe mu. Ayi gba we. We see. They bekun ya o de gbe. Ti dey obodo wu. Just dey play. After your buzzy, who so going a who breast day, any breast live you know, you have you go to na we na the same kwa. E mo preparation you. E mo preparation, you be your back and you go shake them going. Ti dey leave you when now. E ti dey leave you when now. E ti dey leave you when now. E ti dey leave you when now. I don't be careful. I don't see her. If you say like, make you video make show your breast. May not use your bobreza. Never do your bobreza, but not a yobo. Never do yobo. We don't want to see me. We all wear breast tube. Oh, we. You can leave your word now. What now? What are you saying? English players make up here, see what daughter. One now, I say, ni mwetinya. One now, oh, see. So a prayer speak you know I think we are total. On our supported jobs again. Bozina. Who does that? Nobody should come on my UK line. If I know where you are, how you call him a UK line? I not yet. Or can't see what's in a German line, don't call me a UK line. Understand? Monacamoria will get your watching the logy. So women are so stupid until you position where they belongs to, for they go to respect themselves. Understand? Off work, I must greet you.
Hello.
Yeah, they hear you loud and clear. Go ahead.
Hello.
If they speak out, they hear you.
The line just been crazy. I connect that type of. Now they hear me. The line just been break here.
You know the break for this side. The line they okay for this side.
Do you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
You don't do okay now.
Yeah.
I connect. I give you a woman accolade. I beg, Mama Teddy. I give you accolade. God bless you for what you talk just now. Oh my God! I wish you knew where I there. I for your kiss you. Your wife asked you say, not the lie thing. You don't see this woman breast that way they tight smoking. My dad again when he to move there.
When he muja, down the young muja. Me I post the picture. Me I post the picture. That breast piece is so. Bume hama we mum da bume explain no. Again here omo we do ona fi we. Ona fi we do na. It not stand like this. See.
She don't.
On the wait, you want to use your breath to compare papers.
You know me, she don't.
You don't say your own sister. When they go now, you giving you way. Eh, you working here? Bueno, where do you do that? Oh, my, you know.